Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make super easy mini cheesecakes. So if you want to learn how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, it will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by placing our baking dish with water under the rack of where we're going to be placing our mini cheesecakes to bake, and preheat your oven at 325 degrees. Okay, so now we're going to prepare our crust. To your blender cup, add 1 packet of graham crackers, along with 2 tablespoons of sugar and half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Now we're just going to crush it into pulverized. Okay, and once we have it, we're going to transfer it to our bowl. And along with that, we're going to be adding 4 tablespoons of melted butter. And I'm using salted. Okay, now we're just going to mix it together until it's all well combined and our cookie crumbs feel like sand. Okay, so once we have it, we're going to set it to the side so we can make our cheesecake mixture. And so to our bowl, we're going to be adding our 16 ounces of cream cheese. Make sure that it is at room temperature. We're going to lightly beat it on low speed. Going to be adding 1/4 of a cup of sour cream. And depending on how sweet you want your cheesecake, then it depends on how much you're going to add. I like to add about 3/4 of the can. And along with that, 1 teaspoon of Mexican vanilla blend. Now we're just going to beat on low speed until everything is well combined. Okay, so once that's combined, here you can taste it and see if you need to adjust the sweetness. But now slowly we're going to be adding 1 egg. Now combine it. And once you no longer see the egg, add the other one and combine it as well. Okay, and just like that, we have our cheesecake mixture. Now we are ready to put it together. All right, so here I already lightly greased my muffin tray. Now we're going to be adding about 4 teaspoons of cookie mixture into each tray. Okay, now using the back of my teaspoon, I'm going to go back and flatten it out and just make sure that it is nice and even. Okay, so once we have that, we're going to place it in an oven and allow it to bake for 5 minutes. Okay, so after 5 minutes, we're going to be scooping 1/4 of a cup of our cheesecake mixture into each bin. Alright, now I like to top my little cheesecakes with different flavors. So I'm going to begin with my strawberry pie filling. Okay, just kind of swirl it. My next one's going to be turtle. These are my favorite. So I have my caramel. Okay, along with my Nutella. Alright, so once we have our muffin trays filled and ready, we're going to be baking for 22 minutes. Okay, so after 22 minutes, we're going to remove our cheesecakes from the oven. And now I'm just going to be topping them with the little pecans. Alright, so now we're just going to allow our cheesecakes to cool down, and then we can get ready to refrigerate. Okay, and once they cool down, we're going to refrigerate overnight or for at least 4 hours. Alright, so after at least 4 hours, our cheesecakes are done. So now we can get ready to remove them from the tray. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. These cheesecakes are seriously super easy to make. They're very hard to mess up, and they're seriously super delicious. So I hope you give them a try and enjoy them just as much. Cheers and enjoy. So creamy, perfect sweetness, seriously the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make super easy and delicious mini cheesecakes. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you like this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.